Hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and we've got another great question today from one of our viewers. Michael asked, do you oil the outside of a cast iron skillet? And that's a great question. He says, I'm confused. Do I need to put any oil on the outside, or do I only do that if I plan to use it in the oven? And he commented on my video here that says, do I need to season a new Lodge cast iron skillet? And in that particular video, we were talking about seasoning coming from Lodge or most manufacturers these days. All your cast iron comes pre-seasoned, which means that it already has a base coat of oil baked into your cast iron skillet. But what he's saying here, he says, I'm confused. Do I need to put any oil on the outside, or do I only do that if I put it in the oven? So what really he's asking is, if you're only washing after you're cooking a meal and you wash and clean your cast iron skillet, and then you place it on the stove to dry it out, and you're getting ready to put it away, and you place your little small coat of oil inside to maintain your seasoning on the inside of the skillet, do you really need to do it on the outside? And I've got one of my favorite skillets here. This is a number 8 3-notch Lodge cast iron skillet. It's about as old as I am, and it's one of my favorite skillets, but I don't know if the camera will allow this, but if you can see this little area right here, every time I wash and clean this cast iron skillet up after I've been cooking in it, place it on the stove to dry it out and add my maintenance seasoning on the inside, when I lift it up and pull it off, there'll always be a small rust spot right here. So the answer to that question, Michael, is I would suggest that you always oil the outside of your cast iron skillet lightly, just as well as you do on the inside, because it is all cast iron. So, it is subject to moisture, it's subject to rust, and that is the whole purpose behind adding a little bit of maintenance oil to your cast iron before you actually place it, put it away and store it away till you're ready to use it once again. So, that's a great question. I'm sure more than one has asked this and been curious about it, and I hope this has been helpful. We certainly appreciate all questions. Let us know, if you season or you oil the outside of your cast iron every time when you get done with it and you wash and clean it up. Do you actually put a small thin layer on the outside as well? Now, I also want to suggest, not just the outside and the bottom, but be sure and get the handle and the grooves and everything, because like I said, it is all cast iron, so it is subject to rust. So be sure and put you a little thin layer of oil to that, and you'll be in good shape. So hey, leave us a comment and question if you have one, and we'll be glad to get back to you as soon as we can and try to answer your question as well. Y'all have a great day. Now it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Bye bye.